After all, optimal is whatever fits your specific needs. Therefore, our experienced consultants and engineers go the extra mile to conduct a detailed analysis. We have developed systems that enable us to determine exactly how much compressed air you require and what level of quality. Our engineers recommend, plan, and then realize the most economical configuration and compressed air supply for your specific needs. A digital twin system facilitates optimal control, remote diagnosis, and predictive maintenance, and you can be sure of getting the compressed air that you actually need. Once the system has been commissioned, the experts at our Kaeser service ensure a long, highly efficient service life. With the support of cutting-edge international logistics, our service technicians are on call around the clock. Our contracting model also offers compressors, blowers, and additional components as an operator model, as a stopgap, or for extended periods of time. Whether you only purchase the compressed air or the entire system, our premium quality consistently meets the highest standards. As a family business, we place enormous emphasis on personal contact with our customers. Get in touch. We look forward to hearing from you.